Paya curry is a traditional and nutritious breakfast dish from Pakistan. Let's see how to make it.
Ingredients we need are 2 small onions chopped, 1 small tomato chopped, 2 tablespoons ginger and garlic paste, paprika 1 teaspoon, black pepper half teaspoon, red chili, Kashmiri red chili 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon mace and quarter teaspoon nutmeg, 4 green cardamom, 1 black cardamom and 8 cloves. I ground them. Bay leaves 5 to 6, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder and 1 teaspoon garam masala and 1 teaspoon red chili. 4 tablespoon yogurt, 1.5 pound hooves, almost 4 cups of water we need to cook. Now I start my instant pot on saute mode on maximum. Add 4 tablespoons of oil. Add onions. Now it's cooking, it will take a couple of minutes, so I will cover the lid so it will prevent the eye burning due to onions. After 4 to 5 minutes, you can see the onions are golden brown. Now we will add tomatoes. And cook them for next couple of minutes. Now after 2-3 minutes, we will add ginger garlic paste. And fry this masala for next couple of minutes. Now we will add all of our dried masalas other than the garam masala. Red chili, Kashmiri red chili, coriander powder, cumin powder, salt, turmeric, black pepper, paprika, nutmeg and mace, bay leaves. I crush them with my hands like this. And cloves and cardamom. Now I will add the yogurt. Cook it for next 2-3 minutes. After cooking it for almost 1 or 2 minutes, I will add the hooves. And cook them for 2-3 minutes like this. Now, after cooking a couple of minutes, I will add water. It's almost 4 cups of water. Now I will cover the lid. Set the handle to sealing mode and I will start my pressure cook for 45 minutes on high pressure. I will open the pressure. First I will set the handle to the sealing mode. I checked the pressure after 45 minutes, but the heats were not ready, so I added 20 more minutes. Now the pressure is released. I will open the lid. Hooves are ready. I will start the saute mode. And add garam masala. Add some fresh cilantro. Now I've taken out. Paya curry is ready to eat.
Thank you, Fiza.